How to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. If you want to add someone without notifying or without sending them the notification that you added by search, then there's few other options what you can do. Now, as you know, Snapchat notifies the user if you add them by search. What you want to do is open up Snapchat app and head into your chats. Now, what you can do is if you head into a particular person's profile, and then if you tap on three dots, or if you tap on the share option at the top right corner of the screen, you'll be able to share the link or share the QR code. So you can ask one of your friends to share a particular person's QR code or their link, and if you add them through the link, then they won't be notified or they won't be shown that you added through the search. The other way is if you head into Snapchat and head into the add friend option here, and then what you can do is if you have the contact of the person, if you have the contact saved on the device, you can head into your all contacts, and through your contacts you can add them, and if you add them through your contacts, they won't be shown or they won't be notified that you added them through search. It will be shown that you added them through contacts. So these are the way around that you can add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.